Okay, so I'm not gonna be making this video to be a very long one. I'm just going to be telling you something simple over here. So this is all about KD Trade Hub, a channel that I created, which I used to share forex signals with my followers, which is specifically focused on gold trading or XAUUSD trading. So if you are a type that want to make some profit in the forex trading market, then this is a golden opportunity for you to grab right now and then start making some profit. So before I move on, you have to know that forex comes with a lot of risks. So when trying to join this channel, which is totally free, of course, I'm not taking money from anyone. I'm just going to be dropping signals in this WhatsApp channel, and then I also have a Telegram channel for it, which if you want to join, I'll be leaving the link in the video description or the pinned comment section for you to use and then join. So I'll be dropping signals each and every single day, and then I also have a VIP, but don't worry, I'm also not taking any money from you. It's just that the signals that I post in the VIP are way more than the one I post in the free channel. So that one is also free, but I'll be coming back to the VIP one later on, how you'll be able to join that one also for free. So with this, you'll be able to get access to my free signals and then just use to enter the market and then trade and make some profit whenever you are trading. So if you join the link in the video description, you can either choose to join the WhatsApp channel. If you don't have the WhatsApp, you can join the Telegram. So either way, I'll be posting the signals in the two of the channels at once, and then the VIP too at once. So now if you want to join the VIP, you could see this message over here which says create account in Exness and get VIP lifetime for free. So what you simply have to do to be able to get access to the VIP for totally free is that if you have an existing Exness account, you have to create a new one with my partner registration link and partner code. So with this method, instead of me taking fees from you to drop signals, I'll be able to earn affiliate commissions whenever you trade. So keeping this, so in this way, it is still going to keep this channel for totally free for anyone to join and also benefit from it. So if you are willing to take the risk, then you should use the link in the video description, join the channel, and then create a new Exness account using my registration link and then my partner code. And then once you are done with that, you have to DM me privately, and I'm not going to charge you any amount. You are just going to show proof that you've actually signed up using my registration link and then partner code. And then once I confirm that, I'll give you the VIP. I'll be giving you the link to the VIP Telegram channel, which only one person can be able to access it. And you can see over here that I've been dropping signals back to back each and every single day, except for Saturdays and Sundays, which the market is usually closed. So once you do the registration and everything correctly with my registration link and a partner code, I'll be giving you the link to this VIP channel, which the link is only accessible to one person. So that is pretty much it. If you want to join, check the video description or the pinned comment section for the link, and then you'll be able to get free access to this and then be making some profit of your own. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and then also like the video if you found it helpful. And if you know there's a friend or family that also want to get free access to signals and they trade without any hassles, please share the video with them, and then let them also get this free chance, this free lifetime chance. So thanks for watching again. Bye, peace out.